What's going on, you guys? My name is Zach Hartley, and in this video I want to walk you through my 5 best sources of income in 2021. Now, just as a disclaimer, I am making this video to motivate you, to educate you, and to inform you of what is available, what is possible, and what you can do if you set your mind to it. I am not making this video to brag or to showboat or to boast about what I have done. I am making this video to try and motivate and help you. And in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through each of the 5 sources of revenue that I am generating. I'm going to show you how I'm generating that money and what these stats actually look like on the platform, where I'm generating that money, and then I'm going to walk you through the steps that I would take in order to get started again if I was starting from scratch. So if you get any value out of this video, remember to click that like and subscribe button. And here's the full behind the scenes into how much money I make. Here we go. Okay, so starting with income source number 1, this is Amazon FBA. This is something that I have actually never talked about on my channel. Almost nobody knows that I do this, but it's something that I've done for about 2 to 3 years so far, and it's been something that I have built up over time, and it has just slowly escalated over time, and now it makes up a really nice income source for me. And so with Amazon FBA, what that means is fulfillment by Amazon. And so what it is I am basically manufacturing my own products. I am assembling them and putting like 50 or 100 of them into a box. I am shipping that box of product down to Amazon, and in the United States, Amazon will receive that box, distribute it to all of their warehouses across the United States, and then as that product sells on the Amazon website, they will distribute and fulfill those orders and basically send me the money online. And it is absolutely beautiful because in 2021 we did about $52,000 in sales USD, and we make about 20% profit on it, and I currently sell about 4 different products. And here's the Amazon dashboard. So as you can see, we've made $27 in sales so far today, and we've got a balance of $1,200. And if you go to the reports and we go to payments here, and then we go to disbursements, you'll be able to see all of the different payments coming through, and it's actually really nice because it's steady. So right now we have a payment of about $1,200 coming through, and then last week it was $1,800. Before that it was $1,200, and then $1,600 and $1,400 and $1,000, and you can see it comes through almost every 2 weeks. So it's a really nice stream of income. I currently sell about 4 different products on Amazon. I manufacture all of the products myself, or I find a supplier to manufacture them. I do not outsource out of China. I do not drop ship. I don't do any of that. And actually half of my products are 3D printed, so that'll give you kind of an idea of what I sell. But it's done really well, and Amazon has been that nice kind of steady revenue stream that's really worked out for me. And so if I was getting started from scratch again, here is my advice. Number 1, do not source your products out of Alibaba or AliExpress or out of China, because at that point you're the exact same as everybody else trying to do the same thing, and you don't really have a strategic advantage. My recommendation would be really think about what product you want to sell. Don't be in a super competitive niche. Find a little niche that you can kind of carve out your own section of it and try to manufacture the product yourself, or have something proprietary about the manufacturing process so that not everybody can just rip you off by drop shipping out of China, because you have no barrier to entry at that point. And lastly, like I said before, try to sell something that doesn't have a lot of competition. If there are 10 different options to solve the problem that somebody's trying to solve with your product, then you don't have a great chance of being selected. But if there's only 1 or 2 other products that compete in your niche, I personally think you have a much greater advantage, and if that market grows over time, it's just going to be ripe for your taking. Okay, so that's Amazon FBA. The next source of income that I have is crypto mining, and this is something that has just started recently, so the numbers definitely are not mind-boggling, but it's really nice. And I currently have a GPU miner, which is basically what this looks like on the left-hand side here. It basically uses computer parts, and you build a super high-power computer. I also have an ASIC miner, which is what the one on the right hand side here looks like, and this is a purpose-built machine designed for mining Bitcoin. I have videos about both of these units on my YouTube channel, so definitely check that out if you want to see it. And so far it says here that we've made $976, but I'm going to go to my dashboard here, and we're actually at $1,071, and we're making roughly $30 to $40 per day, which is really nice. I currently have the 2 miners going, like I said. So this is the GPU miner with 2 3080 Ti graphics cards, and then this is the S19J Pro 100 terahash ASIC miner. And what's really nice about mining here is that I'm just continuing to stack up Bitcoin. It's really, really nice, and I can do whatever I want with that Bitcoin afterwards. But these two machines just run at my house 24/7 and continue to mine Bitcoin for me. So it is a super, super nice form of passive income, making about $35 per day right now after electricity. Okay, now if you want to get started with crypto mining, here's what I would recommend. Number one, start trying to mine at your house with a gaming computer or a GPU miner that you're going to build. Make sure you do some research on the type of mining that you are doing and what coins you're going to be mining and what those coins have on their roadmap 6 to 12 months from now. That's something really, really important because you don't want to be mining a coin that might not exist in 6 to 12 months from now. So definitely keep that in mind, and then you can go out and buy a miner. Now, if you don't want to do that, you can also buy hosting, which is where you pay somebody and you buy the miner and you store it at their facility and they mine for you, but you get to keep all the profits, and that is super beneficial if you live in an area with high electricity rates. If you're in an area with super low electricity rates, then actually buying the miner and operating it yourself could be beneficial. Okay, now the third source of income, and definitely one of the best, is a website and a platform called SkillShare. Now, SkillShare is one of my favorite platforms in the entire world because the amount of money they pay me compared to the time and effort that I put into it is the best ratio out of all of these different platforms. So to give you an idea, I currently have 5 different courses on Skillshare. So stock market fundamentals, cryptocurrency, personal finance, options trading, and better credit score. So I have 5 courses on here, and it's really, really amazing because Skillshare, you put your course on the platform, and then as people watch your course, Skillshare pays you. And so far, Skillshare has paid me over $142,000. And in the month of December, I earned somewhere between $68,000 and $8,000 in watch time, and I earned another $1,200 in people just signing up for the course. And so I probably made about $9,000 USD just from Skillshare, and I put in maybe an hour or two's worth of work, which is absolutely phenomenal. And the payouts here are fantastic. So just in the last, let's go November to July here, the lowest payout was $7,900 and the highest payout was $9,700. So it's super steady, it's super consistent, and it's super nice revenue. So Skillshare is definitely something you got to get on. And if you want to get started with Skillshare, here's what I would recommend. So number one, watch a couple of Skillshare courses. Get familiar with how to film and edit, and you can learn all of the different things that you need in order to put a course together on Skillshare, which is absolutely amazing. After that, you need to create an outline for your course and really think through the different chapters and sections of your course so that it's easy to understand, easy to digest, and somebody can go through it start to finish and understand the full concept. Once you've got that figured out, it's time to film and edit the course and then upload it to Skillshare. And after that, your job is to try and promote that course through your social media channels, your YouTube channel, or by any other means possible, even Facebook advertising. Now, for me, one of the best ways to promote that Skillshare course is through my YouTube channel, which is number 4 on these revenue streams. And YouTube is super simple. You upload videos reviewing products or answering how-to searches. So what I mean by that is if I'm in the financial industry and somebody's looking for how to increase their credit score, all you have to do is make a couple of instructional videos helping them out with that topic, and make sure that you're really good at your thumbnail, your title, and your description so that you show up higher in search results. That's going to drive organic traffic to your videos, and you're going to be able to generate some ad revenue. You're also going to be able to generate some affiliate commissions when people click on the links down below in your video. Now, just to give you an idea of my YouTube numbers, here's what my channel looks like with 40,000 subscribers. I brought in 2.4 million views, and I made just over $27,000. And if you go to my channel analytics, this is what the revenue looked like. So in February, I was making, let's call it $100 to $150 a day. And right here in November, I was making up to $230, $250 a day, which is really, really nice. Now we're making somewhere between $1 and $150. But what's great about YouTube is that YouTube also brings in affiliate commissions, which can drive some revenue, and I can drive people back to Skillshare, which can also bring in more revenue for me. So they kind of compound onto each other, which is exactly what you want to build when you're building multiple revenue streams. You want them to all combine with each other so that as one scales up, that customer can go to your other revenue sources, and you can drive a higher lifetime value from each customer. That's what you want as an online creator. Now, if you're starting on YouTube, here's what I would recommend. Focus on reviewing products and courses to earn affiliate commissions. go out and review your biggest creators' courses. All of them sell courses. Go out and make a video reviewing that course and then ask for an affiliate link. You can make a lot of money that way, and you can also make money making how-to videos for highly searched topics. So if somebody is searching how to increase my credit score, how to buy your first stock, how to get into cryptocurrency, those are the kind of videos that you should be making, because those videos have a high opportunity of showing up high organically on YouTube, which is going to drive traffic for you without having to do absolutely anything, and it's going to feed revenue into all of your other streams as well. All right, now the last revenue stream here is trading and investing, and for me this is by far the largest revenue stream. It's probably the one that I also spend the most time on, and this is probably the one that I'm also most interested in. This is the one that really gets me excited and gets me going in the day. And basically what I'm doing is I'm buying stock in companies that are going to go up over time or are going to pay a dividend, and I'm trying to build a long-term portfolio by generating short-term gains. And so I'll day trade or I'll swing trade, and the money that I generate there, half of it stays in that portfolio and half of it goes to long-term investments that I'm investing for the next 10 to 20 years. Now, this is by far the largest revenue stream for me, and if you want to see what stocks I am buying, what stocks I'm selling, how much money I am making, and all of the different information there, I run a Discord chat, which is basically a giant group chat where I post all of my trades, all of my analysis, all of my investments, and I answer questions from the community. So if you're interested in joining that, the link is down below. It's $5 per month, and I would love to have you there. But if you want to get started in trading and investing, that Discord chat might not help you very much, but what will help you is an online course to get you started. And luckily, my course is completely free. It's hosted on SkillShare. The link is down below, and it's 10 hours long, and it will walk you through everything you need to know to get started trading and investing in the market in the right way. You should definitely focus on the other revenue streams, but if you want to get started trading and investing, check out the link down below. It's completely free. Or if you have any other big YouTubers that you watch on the platform, I am currently reviewing a bunch of trading and investing courses. You can definitely check out any of my reviews. I'll throw up the thumbnails right now, put a link to them in the description to this video, and I definitely recommend that you try and build up multiple revenue streams. It's not like one of these is the silver bullet, because you're gonna have bad trading days, you're gonna have bad trading months, you might have a bad month on Amazon, you might have a cryptocurrency miner break down, you're gonna have a couple of different hiccups come throughout the way. But if you can diversify your revenue and build up multiple streams, that is the path to financial freedom. Now, if you get any value out of this video, remember to click that like and subscribe button. Check out the links down below. All of the resources, all of the links are there. Everything you need to get started in any of these revenue streams will be right there, and we will see you in the next video. Good luck trading, good luck investing, and we'll talk to you soon.